Hi guys, and welcome to a new weekly vlog. So today it is actually 6 days left until the wedding, so we have a lot to do. So therefore I thought I would take you with me for this final week before the weddings. I also just filmed this bridal makeup, so this will be up by the time this video is live, so I will leave it up here in the corner so you can check it out. So I will be doing some wedding hauls and show you pretty much every single package that has arrived for the last week. I decided to do a lot for this wedding by myself because I am such a perfectionist. I'm such a control freak when it comes to throwing parties and stuff, so therefore I really wanted to design my own programs and design my own menus and stuff. The people down there are already like decorating the table with a package that follows, but you know me, I want my own flowers, I want my own napkins, all that jazz. I'm gonna take you with me down to the venue. We're gonna decorate everything, so it will be kind of like a decorate for my wedding with me video. So hopefully that is interesting. I haven't seen anybody else do this on YouTube, so hopefully it will be a fun video to watch. And without further ado, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and let's get this wedding week started. So here are a little wedding haul update. I thought I could go through everything for you guys. So if you saw last week's vlog, you already seen a lot of what we ordered, and I still have 3 more packages to come this week. This is from a store that is called Party King. So the first thing that I picked up from Party King is this balloon arch, and this is in gold and white. I actually have 3 more coming. I have 1 all white and 2 more of these ones. Then I also picked up some faux roses, and last but not least, this photo booth props. And this package contains 10 different photo booth props. So we have selfie, I do, some cute champagnes and lipstick even. Everything here is from a store called HONEYOAK. I will leave every single item down below so you can check it out for yourself. So the first thing that we picked up are this sign which says sweet bars. Then I picked up these vow books. So this actually contains 2. So this one says her, and then we have one that says him. Then I also ordered this orb balloon, which is a gigantic balloon which says Mr. and Mrs., which we will have helium inside, and this will be at the entrance of the venue, I thought. Next I also picked up this robe which says bride to be, and this is what I'm gonna wear while doing my makeup and hair. So excited, so I can't wait to wear that. And last but not least, we picked up this treat stand for macarons. So here you can kind of see how it will look like once we have it filled with macarons, and this will be on the sweet bar cake area of the venue. Then we also decided to get these ones, and we will paint them and maybe add some glitter. So I thought these were cute. So we're gonna have L and J on the table where we sit, or on the guest book table. I'm not sure. I will see everything once I go down and start to decorate. Then I also picked up this gold pen, and this is gonna be where the guest book is. Got some more napkins, and these I think are so pretty. We also picked up these ones which says Mr. and Mrs. with gold font, and it also has some beautiful flowers on them, so we picked up a lot of those. So next we picked up a bunch of these for popcorn that we will have on our sweet table. A bunch of gold straws to have around the venue as well. This is from a site which is called Tema Shop, which is a Norwegian store. So we got these stickers for the car. We also got the Mr. and Mrs. wooden words sign for our table. Then I also have more of the party props for the photo booth. So we have this in gold, and then I decided to get this one as well, which says she's mine, thank you, he's mine, I do, kiss the bride. So I can't wait to set up the photo booth with a beautiful faux flower background and stuff. And then I also got more rose petals. So we got a huge bag with white and then also the golden ones, but I feel like these didn't look as nice, so I'm not sure if I would use this. But that was what I picked up from this store. We picked up 16 of these, which are gonna be the flower backdrop for our photo booth, which I think will look so incredible nice. So yeah, that was what I've gotten so far. I'm still waiting for 3 more packages to arrive. Hopefully they arrive this week. We have a lot to do when it comes to planning, organizing, get everything set up. I also have a bunch of stuff right here, as you can see. So we have more wedding stuff, but some of this I showed you in last week's vlog, so I will leave that vlog down below. We also finally got our vases vases. So these are pretty tall. They're like 70 centimeters. And we're gonna have each on one table. So we have a lot of those, more flower backdrops. And also these rose ball centerpieces that I have shown you in last week's vlog, I think, or in the decor vlogs. I think they are so cute, and I actually got them from AliExpress. Then we also picked up 2 of these mirrors, and this is actually gonna be our welcome sign. And then I also picked up another one, which will be our table chart. The photo booth frame, it is finally done, and it also has this thread right here, so it's actually gonna hang on a wedding arch. And right next to this, I'm actually working on my veil. So this is the only sneak peek that I'm gonna show you. I am making my own veil, you guys, but I'm so excited. Hopefully it turns out well, and I'm thankful for my little design skills that I picked up in New York.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way. So I'm now on my way to pick up my wedding dress. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to finally get the dress back home. I went to my last fitting, I would say 2 weeks ago, and now everything is supposed to be a perfect match. I ordered a lot of decor yesterday, so that will be interesting. Hopefully it will get here by the time this vlog will be up, so I can show you. And I think I will also start to do some DIYs like the welcome sign and all that. So now I'm actually on my way to pick up my grandmother because she's coming with me. So I will talk to you guys a little bit later. So this is how my beauty room is looking at the moment. So since I've gotten 2 new boxes right here, I think I will open them up, show you what I got. I would go through everything that I just unpacked. So the first thing that I picked up are these robes, and these are from a store called HONEYOAK, so I will leave a link down below. And these are the gingerbread dressing gowns. It says brides besties on them, so I actually picked up a bunch of these to have in these bags that I picked up, which says I do thank you. So these will be for my bridesmaids and maid of honor. So I would go and grab a little champagne and add a thank you note in here, and also a robe, so we can have them on together when we are taking pictures before actually going to the church. And these I picked up from a store called Party King, so I will leave every wedding related item that I have hauled in this video down in the description, so be sure to check it out. Then I also picked up some soap bubbles, and this is a package of 24. As you can see, they are in small champagne bottles, and champagne is my favorite, and these will go so well with the theme that we have going on. Then I also picked up some nets, and this is the net on roll in ivory. So this we will have to make cute bows on the chairs. So next I also picked up this little kit, and this is a tall garland wedding decoration. So this is for the car. So next I also picked up this cute hanger that will have my wedding dress on when I want to take pictures, and for the wedding video and stuff I really want my dress hanging. And this was actually pretty inexpensive. I think it was around 10 bucks, and I think this will be a cute memory to have hanging in my closet. And last but not least, from the store Party King, I also picked up 2 more balloon arches. I picked up another one of this gold, which I already showed you a little bit earlier in this vlog, and then I also picked up a true white one, which will have some flowers around and stuff. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's only 2 days until we're actually going down to the venue to decorate everything. And also one of my besties are coming on Wednesday to help me set up everything, and she's gonna stay here with me for almost a week, and I miss her so much. So I'm so excited that she wants to come a little bit early and hang out with me. Now I will print out all the menus, start to cut them out. I will also print out all the church programs. So we have a lot to do today. Hopefully I can get things done, and hopefully I have some time left later tonight to finish up my whale because I really want to have it done before she comes. So hopefully I can finish it tonight or tomorrow. It has taken me so long because it has so many details. That's just typical me. I don't want to have a standard veil. I really want something special and something personalized, so therefore I decided to make it myself. So I've just finished writing all the names on the name tag. Now I am going to cut out all the menus. So here are the meat menu, and then we also have a vegetarian menu. So I actually made this myself in Word Office. Pretty easy actually, and I really loved how you're able to design whatever you want. And I also made this logo in Photoshop. What I did was that I found 2 logos on Google, and then I just added them into Photoshop, added the L and J and also the font of the menu. And the same goes for the church programs as well. We will print them out a little bit later and I will show you guys. So I'm gonna cut out all the menus that are left, and then they will look like this. So today it is Wednesday. We are about to go down to the venue, and at the end of this video I will show you a close-up detail of everything, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna bring a little bit of everything. We will see how much we have, see if we need to get something else. And here are the mirrors that I DIY'd yesterday, and up at the top it says "Be Our Guest," and I thought this was such a cute idea, especially since I had these leftover mirrors and we didn't have any place for them. So I think this is a great idea to utilize what you have. And then we also have our welcome sign, and I think these turned out so well.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow.
makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.